so long
Yeah.
finding for a shop.
What's up, mga Pabiboyz? We're here and we're looking for AC. because
What
my
time open?
AC is
AC repair shop.
5 o'clock.
not fresh.
Thank you.
Guys, they're not fresh. Just bought some McDonald's.
What, Clark?
They're not fresh.
Not fresh. It's very hot. So ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Mussafa. Eid holiday. Sobrang init dito sa loob ng sasakyan.
Sira yung AC na.
Nasira yung AC namin. Naghanap kami ng shop. Kaso, unfortunately, it's closed. So ngayon, naghanap kami ng sana merong kahit isa lang, dalawa bukas. Karamihan nila, kasi sa city, sarado. So, nagpunta kami dito sa Mussafa. Kasi later on,
And we also have to do swab test.
yes, later on magpapa-swab test tayo for our regular check-up. So, ayun guys. Hanap-hanap
Wait,
muna.
wait.
Yes.
Are they gonna put bacteria in our body?
No. They will just take some sample and then they will
Sipon?
take some sample in your nose.
Like
And-
sipon?
If you have a bacteria in your
Hmm.
nose, a virus,
I don't have a virus.
Ipo-culture nila din. Test nila. Ayan, kasama para natin si Tita Dars again. Kasi holiday din si Tita ng 4 days.
yes.
Ayan si Kuya Carl at the back. So ayan guys, sobrang init talaga, grabe. Namawis na kami. Pawis kahit saang parte sa katawan, pawis na pawis. Si daddy ko, hanap ng hanap. Nasira sa sobrang init ng panahon. Nasira yung AC. So ayan, karamihan sa shop dito sarado. Tapos nag-drive-thru lang tayo ng pagkain.
All of
The
not driving it. All of them
Are you okay there, Kuya?
just watching.
Say hi!
We're here and we're finding AC because our AC is broken and every shop is sarado.
Sarado? Yes, Sarado? You are right, Sarado?
because holiday.
Because it's Eid holiday.
Guys,
Yes, guys!
all the stores closed.
Yes! All the stores are closed.
Because
We can't find it.
Say Happy Eid Mubarak. Say Happy Eid Mubarak, Muslim friends.
Happy
damdam puring.
Eid Mubarak. Yes. Happy Eid Mubarak sa lahat ng mga Muslim friends all over the world. Muslim people. So ayan. Ikot-ikot lang tayo dito, guys.
Oh, it's making my
Sobrang
guys.
init
The sun
talaga.
makes me sun.
Nagiging rosy cheek tayo din sa sobrang init.
Para AC repair?
That is open. No. Dito. Sana yan open. Sana please. Kahit sarado pwede makisuga.
Di ba rin magdala ka ng konti?
Oo, kahit konti. Ay, grabe. Pawis na pawis tayo.
Ano na, mag-alas-talas.
Always cup powers.
They will open by 5 o'clock. Kasi right? Some stores will open at 5 o'clock.
Opo.
Opo, talaga, opo. So, ayun si Daddy. Wait. Nandun si Daddy, pumasok doon. Sobrang init. So, kahit daw sabi niya magdagdag kahit ng konti.
I need something.
Mai-repair lang siya.
I
So,
need
sobrang
something.
init. Kawawa yung mga Pabiboyz, oh. Pawis na pawis.
Ang dami kasi time, bakit holidays yan?
But actually,
holiday.
hot is for me. It's
Wala
good.
siyang
No.
time.
Yeah, that's good.
Look at that, he's so sweaty. Yung clothes niya.
I love.
Baba muna kayo.
So, magre-repair sila?
Oh.
Ah, wow. Wow, thanks God. We found one store open. Okay, guys, update namin kayo. Magpapaano muna tayo ng AC. Papa-check. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Okay, see you. Bye.
Baka kami to.
Want to see that car? It's a broken car. It's someone crushed it. It's crushed by this. Okay guys, so now we're here. Look, we found somebody that will fix it. Finally, we're getting
So long.
yeah.
Finding for a shop.
I just called Quaker Anak.
Anak. Kuya, check there. I think there's one more there. That's for you.
Hi guys,
Stretching. We're in Mussafa right now.
so far away.
Yes, far away from the city.
We're home. There's nowhere to be found. Guys! The guys look at them. Guys, it's it. Guys, go! It's like we're in the desert.
Desert nga. So ayan, si Daddy pawis sa pawis. Ang ating papapi. Oh,
Look like the monster. Guys!
monster truck. Where's the monster truck?
Monster truck. Look, Daddy has a seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Ayan, oo nga, seatbelt mark pala yan. Pawis.
Powys, more like Powys mark.
Also, we're also going to clean
I
the
found a
car because
snake.
it's kind of dirty inside and outside a little bit.
Yeah, kasi papasteam sana ni Daddy yan sa loob.
So we're fixing the AC and we're cleaning the car. So yeah, we'll update you when it's done. Let's go.
What's up guys? So ayan, nandito tayo sa sakyan ngayon. Papunta kami ng Delma Park. Unfortunately, hindi namin napagawa si Silver dahil magbubukas sila ng Saturday pa talaga yung regular opening ng mga shop dahil sa holiday. And malaki ang problema ng ating Silver ngayon kasi may sira yung compressor. So by Saturday hopefully may balik na. Pero not sure pa kasi check pa muna. So ayan guys, taste muna sa ating napakainit na panahon. So by now, pupunta muna tayo ng Delma dahil sa ating swab test. We'll see you guys and we'll update you later. Bye! What's up guys?
Guys, so now we're here.
In the testing center in Delma Park.
Yeah. I'm so worried because like maybe they're gonna put virus in my
No?
body.
Just take sample.
Like
Just
but
pray
take-
we pray and we claim that we are all negative, okay?
What's
So don't you worry.
What's negative?
Negative result. So, there. Oo, yun te. So, ayan guys, punta na tayo doon sa testing center. Nandun na si Daddy dahil nag-check siya kung may
Guys,
isang area ba for family. So, ayun.
guys, a long time ago
Yes.
I was scared of beetles. Now I love beetles.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about beetles.
So, okay guys, update namin kayo. And we are praying and claiming na we are all negative. So, yeah guys, let's do this. Let's go.
Woo!
Also guys, yes, we are here at Delma Park Testing Center. So ayan guys, we went inside. So hindi kami nag-video for privacy and security na rin sa lahat. So nandito tayo para inform lang na hindi kami nakapagpa-test dahil si Daddy valid pa pala yung sa kanya dahil ilang days lang nagpapa-swab test siya. Tapos hindi daw required yung 12 years below.
No, 11.
You're still 11. So ngayon so ayun guys, lumabas kami para
for, I don't know. We just went outside for
And
nothing. Not for nothing, we just checked if we can do it.
yeah, we can have that test. So ayun guys.
But yeah, we will update you. Probably next time when we do it, we'll tell you what's our our result. If we try to do a swab test next time. But yeah, this
Kasi swab test lang ni Daddy a few days back.
yeah.
So nung chinek nila sa system, valid pa daw yung kanya. So hindi, tsaka yung mga kids, hindi naman daw required basta 12 years below. So ayun guys. So that's all.
So let's we'll update you when we're back home. Let's go. Woo!
Okay, guys, so now we're done going from Mussafa Park. Mussafa. Okay, guys, so now this is the end of the vlog, please.